Let's invest in crypto. But where should I invest? I heard Polkadot is a good coin. Hmm, no, Solana is also a good coin. I should go for both. Alright. But where to invest? Binance, okay. Huh? What is this? My god, so many options. My head is spinning. Man, what the hell am I gonna do?
Are you one of those who gets goosebumps by looking at the Binance screen? Then this video is for you. Because this is too much requested that I make a tutorial video on Binance, how to start the account and start investing in it, because with the whole 30% tax going on in India and other countries are also not so favorable on crypto taxation, we have to go to Binance where we can be out of these tax liabilities. And also Binance is the number one exchange in the world and it has the maximum number of coins listed in it. So if you are thinking about starting your crypto journey, you have to have an account in Binance. So without much delay, let's get to the mobile app of Binance and let's see what we got here.
So this is the Binance homepage. I know it is very difficult to understand just by looking at this, but just stay with me and let's understand step by step. First of all, you put on your email ID and phone number, get an OTP and sign up on Binance. I am already signed up here, so I have just logged into my account. So now when you log into your account, this page will appear. Now suppose we have to trade BTC, like buy BTC or sell BTC, whatever it is. So here we can see BTC by BUSD is $29,000 something. Okay, so this means the price of BTC is this much. All right, now what is BUSD? BUSD means Binance USD. Its value is always $1. It is a stable coin. I have already made videos on stable coins. You can check it out by clicking on the I button. Now when we go to markets, we see here BTC per BUSD 29,026, ETH means Ethereum per BUSD 1957. Alright, so just like stocks, what you do, you keep the stocks which you want to track in your favorites list. Same thing here, you can keep those coins which you want to track in your favorites list. How to do that? Search coin pairs. There we can go and search, like I want to track Polkadot, so dot per BUSD, this one. Just mark the star button, it will appear here. Alright, I next want to track Solana per BUSD, mark the star button, it will appear here. Now suppose you want to buy BTC, so you click on BTC and click on buy button. You have to put how much amount of BTC you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy 0.01. Okay, so at this price 0.01 BTC will cost you 290.3 BUSD. But here you can see available 0 BUSD. You don't have any BUSD in your account. So now you have to buy BUSD using rupees. Now how to do that? Click on home. Here you can see P2P trading. Click on that. Now here we can see that USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB. Now these coins are available for P2P trading. P2P means peer to peer. You will transfer your fiat currency to another person's account who will be the seller, and he will transfer the coins which you want to buy from his account to your account. Now the transaction goes smoothly, that will be ensured by Binance itself. Now USDT, I don't want to recommend buying this stable coin. There are tons of reasons behind that. That's a story for another day. I will be showing you to buy BUSD. Now we click on BUSD. Here these are the advertisements. These are like at 82.43 rupees per BUSD this seller wants to sell. Seller name is Crypto King. Anonymous name, anything can be the name. You can choose your name as anything also. And here are all the advertisements which different sellers have posted. Now you just choose the minimum amount, which is 82.43, but here you have to buy a minimum of 25,000 rupees worth of BUSD. So make sure you want to buy that much, because if you want to buy lower than that, then you have to see which ads suits your requirements. So suppose here 82.43 Crypto King ad, I click on buy. Now I want to buy suppose 500 okay, buy fiat. This means I can either choose here that how much rupees I wanna pay, or I can choose by crypto. I can say that I want to buy 500 BUSD, which will be worth 41,215 rupees. Now buy with zero fee. P2P trading is absolutely free, there is no fees. Click on buy with zero fee. The transaction will be open. Now you have to make payment to the seller. So click on make payment, and here you will see the bank details of the seller. You can either pay by UPI or bank transfer. These bank account details are here. Just transfer the money from your account to any of these accounts. I think probably these are the same accounts. This is a UPI ID, and after that you will say that I have already transferred the payment. Like I choose UPI method, then after paying I will mark transferred, notify seller. Then the seller will confirm that he has received the money and he will release the coins. So this is the process. Right now I am not paying anything, so I'm gonna cancel the order, but make sure you don't cancel orders too frequently, because Binance will block you for that. Alright, so there goes that, confirm cancellation. The order is cancelled. Now after you have bought the BUSD, then you go to markets, then you choose your favorite coin which you want to buy. Here BTC per BUSD, okay. Then press on buy, and suppose you want to buy 500 BUSD worth of BTC. Then just click on buy BTC. Now right now it's insufficient. You will click on this limit option. Here you will choose market. This means whatever price is going on in the market, at that price you will buy. Or you can choose limit option and set a limit price that when the price reach this limit, I wanna buy BTC worth of 500 BUSD. Then place your order. It will come under open orders until it gets executed, and after that you will see your BTC in your wallets. Like in the wallet section, you will see in the spot wallet your BTC. Now what are all these? That's discussion for another day. Now I hope you have understood how to invest in Binance, and when you want to sell, same thing, just go to BTC and press on sell. You want to sell suppose 250 BUSD worth of BTC, then press on sell BTC. Your order will be executed. Then you want to withdraw your money to your bank account, just go to BUSD again in P2P trading and press on sell. Look for the advertisement which suits your requirements, then press on sell, and same thing, the buyer will transfer the money to your bank account and you will confirm that you have received the funds. Transaction completed. So as simple as that. There goes how to use Binance.
So this was a video for absolute beginners. Now you might have gained a lot of information with which you can probably start your own Binance account and invest in cryptocurrencies. But Binance provides a hell of a lot information than this. Futures trading, options, etc., staking, There is lot. So what to do about that? I will cover all of those in my subsequent videos, which will be added in a playlist. So make sure you bookmark this playlist, which I am about to make in future days on specifically crypto. So if you have liked this video, then make sure you click on the like button. Yes, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that too. I will meet you in the next video. I am Acharjee, signing off.